Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract a zip file on Google Drive. Let's get started. So now you're going to look for the zip file that you're trying to extract from. So I'm going to use this one for example, which says bubblegum.zip. So we're going to go to the right side and then click on the three dots. And then click on Open With. And as you can see here under Suggested Apps, there's Zip Extractor, Cloud Convert, Document Viewer for Google Drive, but we're going to select Zip Extractor. You'll be greeted by this page which says, Welcome to Zip Extractor. You're here because you open a zip file in Google Drive with Zip Extractor. This app will allow you to unzip the file and download the files inside. To continue, authorize Zip Extractor with the button below. So we're going to click on this button which says Authorize Zip Extractor. Now it says Zip Extractor wants to access your Google account, so we're going to allow it. So go to the bottom and then click on Allow. Now it says Ready to extract zip file. And after you're done doing that, make sure that they are selected here. So click on the checkboxes here on the right and then click on Extract to Drive. After you're done doing so, you're going to click on View Files in Drive. And as you can see here, the files have been extracted. So those two files in that zip folder have been extracted and now they are in my Google Drive. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.